For years, enterprise AI showed up as assistants. Tools that waited for prompts, summarized documents, or automated small tasks. Useful, but limited. That era is ending. Agentic AI is pushing enterprises from assistance to autonomy. These systems do not just respond. They evaluate context, make decisions, and execute multi-step workflows on their own. Multiple agents can collaborate, share information, and coordinate actions across the business. Take procurement. A basic assistant can pull vendor data. An agentic system can analyze demand forecasts, assess vendor risk, check compliance policies, negotiate terms, and finalize transactions while coordinating with finance, operations, and compliance. That is not automation. That is orchestration. Before we go further, if this kind of real-world AI shift matters to you, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment with where you see AI changing your workflows first. Here is the critical insight. Agentic AI forces enterprises to rethink workflows entirely. You cannot just automate steps anymore. You have to design intelligent ecosystems where humans and agents work together dynamically. That raises real challenges. What decisions stay human-led? How do agents access data without overstepping? What happens when agents across finance, HR, and supply chain act together autonomously? This is why unified platforms matter. Without shared orchestration, enterprises end up with disconnected agents working at cross purposes. Unified platforms provide shared knowledge, consistent policies, centralized monitoring, and strong governance as autonomy increases. Trust is non-negotiable. As agents act independently, enterprises need clear limits, transparent decision logs, and human override paths built in from day one. Governance is not a feature. It is the foundation. And value must show up fast. Agentic AI succeeds only when it delivers measurable outcomes. Faster cycles, fewer errors, less manual work, and the ability to scale decisions at speed. Cutting a process from weeks to hours is the bar. Agentic AI is not about giving up control. It is about redesigning how work gets done. If you are serious about moving beyond AI pilots and into real business impact, now is the time to act. Start small, design with intent, and scale responsibly. Watch the related video on screen to go deeper. And if you want to turn AI into a competitive advantage for your business, do not wait. Lead the shift.